we are going for, well, no, I am going for an award show. And you guys, I'm going to gist you guys how everything happened. We just left First Stack, so that's where we're going to now. I'm not dressed for the event, obviously, because I didn't want to wear what I wanted to wear for the event from here. So I just did my makeup. That's me. Why is my phone ringing? Oh my god, I'm telling you, it's that man. Hello, good evening, who is this? Sorry? Oh, okay. Alright. I'm fine, thank you. Yes. I'm on my way back home. Yeah. VI. Yeah. Oh. I mean, I come to First Stack to see my friends sometimes, so maybe when I'm in First Stack, I know we can link up, or when you're in VI, we can link up. He reached to call up, sir. Okay guys, so let me tell you guys what you just witnessed. So I was waiting for him at Domino's, and then this man who came to get pizza with 3 of his kids thought it was a good idea to ask me for my number. And like, I gave it to him because it's just my phone number. I am spiritually connected with blocking people. He called me. He called me, and you know what? We're on our way to VI, and in some ways, my future house is in VI, so I might as well just like start manifesting it. So I told him I live in VI, and I have a friend who stays in First Stack, which is not a lie. I do have a friend who stays in First Stack, and whenever I come to First Stack, he and I can chill. It's not me, his wife, who sits at home and be praying for. God forbid. Alright guys, so I'm done with my lips. Honestly, I did my regular lip combo, and then I just put my jewelry. So now we're looking for a place I can change. Where is the place? It's around here.
Yeah, just okay.
Alright. So I'm looking for a place where I can change.
We are going to the place where you can change.
Ha ha ha. We are going to the place, so I'm going to go and change.
At the place.
Okay, you made your point. Okay. Just go on park. Hallelujah. I think I know over dressing. That's all.
of the best. Thank you.
Hey guys, I just got home, like literally 2-3 minutes ago. The time is 11:41 right now, and I'm so happy I went for that event. And how everything happened was, when I tell you that I found out about this event on Friday, got my invites on Saturday, and today's Sunday, and I went. Like, I didn't know how I was going to go. I didn't know how like it was meant to be. Like, it was so meant to be, and Lord knows that God knows why He made everything happen. I'm making custard because I'm bashy hungry. God honestly knows why He made everything happen. I don't know. There was just something about being in the same room with a lot of people that you admire. You guys, Nancy Isime was the host of the show. Like, me and Nancy breathed the same oxygen at some point. Like, it was just so inspiring. And then I stayed for a good amount of the show, right? And the winners, right, they have done like, obviously everybody who was even nominated has done like something exceptional, but when I tell you that they are literally changing the world in their own little way, through tech, through, you know, like influencing, they are literally doing just the most. And it was really wholesome just being there, and I really enjoyed myself. Okay, I did. So right now I am about to finish a reel that I was filming. My phone got hot, so I just continued my makeup, so I'm about to finish that. Then when I'm done with that, I will film a YouTube video because I'm awake and I'm here, big face. I might as well just do it. I'll film a YouTube video. Then what else? That'll be all. This is me just ending this vlog. Basically, I had such a good time, like such a good time. Like, when I saw, like, you know, like I saw so many people and I was fangirling so much. Like, it was bad. Like, I'm sure if I had seen Nancy like up close, like, when I only saw her from the stage, she was backstage, she's the host, so she can't really like walk around. But I saw Inedu up close, I saw Funky and Kelly up close. Like, it's just these people who you always see through Instagram feed posts, and then you see them in real life. It was a lot for me. Can you guys hear that? And it really struck a nerve. I'm just happy. I'm happy I went. Shout out to Desmond for making this happen. He was one that got me my invite. He was so busy today, but anyways, this is me just ending up this vlog. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, because I'll be posting like snippets of things that kind of didn't come up here on Instagram, on the Instagram reel. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.